Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful square. I've chosen this autumn colors. If you like them, you can choose any color you want, but I decided to try something different this time. Let's start, shall we? I'm going to start by doing a slip knot. I'm using a 2.5 milli hook, slip knot and 4 chain. 1 2 3 4 chain, slip stitch in the first chain to close my circle, and then chain 2. I'm going to work in the circle a cluster of 3 double crochet, which is like this, and then again yarn over, insert, and then pull 3, chain 1 again, as if you're working a double crochet, but yarning through the first 2 loop only. Again, the first 2 loop only, and again until I have 4 loop in my hook, insert remaining 3. Again, chain 1. I have 2. I need another 6 to have total of 8. Finish them and come again. I have finished my 8 cluster, or a bubble, but I prefer it's named cluster, and then I close at the top of the first one, chain 1 and pull, cut the yarn. Now we're going to insert the next color at any of the chain 1 space, and working the same but twice in the same chain 1 space. I'm going to do twice what I have done. Again, I'm going to do chain 2, and then again as if we're working 1 double crochet, another one, and then pull all 3, and then chain 1 as if I'm working. This is 1 double crochet, but pulling the first 2 loop only, and this is the third one. I have 4 loop, pull all 3, and chain 1. That one I'm going to repeat 7 times. At each of the chain 1 spaces you're going to do it twice a cluster. Again, as if I'm working a double crochet, hold it to the tip of my finger, insert again until I have 4 of my hook, and pull through, chain 1, pull all 3, and chain 1. You're going to do this again 6 times and come again. I have finished my 8. As you can see, I'm going to pull do a slip stitch at the top of the first one, chain 1 and cut. Now inserting at the middle of any of the 2. See what I'm in the middle? This is a 1 and this is 2. I want in the between any of them, it doesn't matter. And we're going to start by doing 3 chain. 1 2 3. Now we're doing the same cluster but of a triple 5 precisely. I'm going to pull twice, insert the hook, pull through the first 2 and the second, and the remaining 2 will leave them. Again, pull twice, the first 2 loop, and the second twice, again twice, insert. I have 1 2, the first 2 and the second 2 only. Now I have 5 loop in my hook, pull through all loop, chain 5, and do a slip stitch in between. See these 2 cluster, in between them do a slip stitch, again chain 5, and in between we're going to do again the same triple of 5 together, only the first one and the second again, and now I have 6. Pull all through and chain 5 and do a slip stitch in between. That's what I'm going to do. I have done it twice. I'm going to do it again 6 times. Finish them and come again. I have finished, so I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of the first one, and then chain 1 and cut. Now for the green, where am I going to insert the yarn? See these two? Any two, like this. I'm going to insert it here at the first 5 chain. And I'm going to start by working on my corner. I'm going to do chain 2, which represent half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in the same, and 1 triple in the same chain 5 space, and then chain 3. Now in the opposites, on the next 5 chain space, we're going to do opposite. I'm going to do a triple, a double, and then half double crochet, chain 3. I'm going to do a double now in this side from the 5 chain, and then do a double and come back here like this. To have a cross double, and then chain 3 again, the corner, which is half double crochet, and then double, triple, chain 3, triple, and then a double crochet, half double, chain 3, and do the opposite, a double here, a double, and then in the previous one. Finish and come again. I have finished all my stitches. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first one, chain 1 and cut. And I have now almost a square. Now inserting at any of the corner, only in the corner I'm going to work a double crochet. Only in the corner. I'm going to start by doing 3 chain, and then another double, 3 chain, 2 double crochet. So at each corner you're going to do 2 double, 3 chain, 2 double. Now all the stitches I'm going to do half double crochet. See, now I have a 3. I'm going to do a 3 half double, and now here I have 3 chain. I'm going to do 3 half double, and then here at the middle I'm going to do a half double crochet. Again, I have 3 chain. I'm going to do 3, and now the corner I have 3 stitches, so I'm going to work a 3, all half double, except the corner itself is going to be 2 double, and this is one side of the square. We're going to continue to repeat this for 3 times to get to the final here and count again. I have finished my last. I'm going to do a slip stitch, the 3rd chain from the hook, yarn over and cut, and this is my square. As I have said, it's an autumn color. If you want to make it blanket, then what do I suggest? I suggest you use, for example, if you want it dark, then in between do a traditional granny with this dark of brown. Or if you want a lighter color, I suggest you do a white granny in between, and or maybe you can add more squares and other designs alternating between them, or do a traditional granny with alternating between the white and the brown. It will come beautiful. So I hope you like my video and subscribe in my channel and press the like button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.